So again, like I said, each time I come across a nice product, I like to review it. It's called this is called Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So really, I had never realized this, but just this whole thing of applying mascara gives the finishing touch to the whole eye makeup thing. Because Karishma Kapoor, the actress, she says. As women, like, if you either you should play up your lips or your eyes, you shouldn't do both. But I've always found that especially those of us who have very tiny small eyes, it always helps to put these really good products. And this young man smeared his face with lots of Nivea cream, and that's why he's like glistening only, my young man. So but I like making videos like this that are very crazy and impromptu and raw and real. But you'd like to say something, Ayush?
Is this my channel?
Okay.
This is a fake channel.
Okay. And what would you want to put instead? He's told me to do some challenges. So maybe we should do a spicy challenge, or we should do a applying mascara challenge. But really, with a 7-year-old, you can only have these cute, happy challenges. And this video is going nowhere really, but it's so much fun making these videos. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.
I'm just like